In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS as a webcam in Zoom. If you want more control over how you appear in meetings, OBS is a great tool. It lets you build a custom camera view using different scenes and sources, which can be especially useful for presentations, live demos, lessons, or any meeting where you want a more polished setup than a standard webcam feed. To begin, open OBS Studio. Once you're inside OBS, take a moment to arrange your scenes and sources exactly the way you want them to appear in your Zoom meeting. This part is important because whatever is visible in OBS is what Zoom will receive once the virtual camera is turned on. So before moving forward, make sure your layout looks right, your camera or media sources are in place, and everything is framed the way you want. Next, look over to the controls dock, which is usually located on the far right side of the OBS window, or sometimes near the bottom right, depending on your layout. In that controls section, click Start Virtual Camera. This is the setting that tells OBS to send its output as a webcam source that other apps, including Zoom, can use. Once you click it, OBS is essentially acting like a camera device on your computer. After that, switch over to Zoom. You can do this either while you're in the waiting room before joining a meeting, or once you're already inside the meeting. Find the camera icon, and next to it you should see a small upward pointing arrow. Click that arrow to open the list of available camera sources. From the options that appear, select OBS Virtual Camera. As soon as you choose it, Zoom should start displaying the video feed coming from OBS instead of your normal webcam. That means the custom scene you created in OBS will now be what other people in the Zoom meeting see. And that's it. The setup is actually very quick once you know where the key settings are. A helpful tip is to always start the virtual camera in OBS before selecting it in Zoom so it appears properly in the camera list. It's also a good idea to preview your OBS scene one last time before joining a meeting, just to make sure everything looks clean and ready to go. With those simple steps, you can use OBS as your webcam in Zoom and give your meetings a much more professional look.